To protect this Earth, humans create a project which is better known as the Save the Earth project. In recent published research from the Nature Conservancy and 12 peer organizations, science points to a better path for building a more sustainable, more hopeful future for the Earth. A future in which catastrophic climate change is kept at bay while we still power our developing world. A future in which we can feed 10 billion people worldwide and profit cleaner, more abundant drinking water while also protecting life-giving lands, lakes, and rivers. A future in which nature will heart still beat strong, healthy, with life and magnificent landscape while our cities are strengthened by harmony with nature. A future in which people and nature thrive together. Science shows us this vision of the future is achievable, and we must join together and put all our effort into the big priority that will make this vision a reality. Okay, friends, from the background, what thing to do to save the earth?
Produce more food on less land. Targeted agricultural expansion identify area where crop grow best to avoid destroying nature. Problems. Today's version of large-scale agriculture is the biggest source of land conversion. Drive depth orientation that worsens climate change. Use 70% of the world freshwater supply and relies on fertilizer practice that pollute our waters. As the need to feed a billion more people increases, agricultural expansion could devastate habitat, release even more carbon into the atmosphere, and dry up rivers. How to fix it? Produce food where is most likely to thrive, which will use less water and less land. How we are talking action right now? We are analyzing satellite image and local yield potential to pinpoint where soy farming and cattle ranching can expand without destroying nature. This approach is especially vital in Brazil, Cerrado region, where half of all natural habitat has already been converted to cropland and pasture. Cooperating with farmers on sustainable practice can help save what left of the Cerrado's rich savanna.
Eliminate overfishing. Targeted fishing. Use technology to catch only the right species. Problem: overfishing and poor fisher management is not only devastating to the fish species being pushed to the brink of collapse, it endangers food webs and ocean ecosystem by disrupting the balance of all sea life. And it threatens billions of people who rely on seafood as an important source of livelihood and animal protein. Without serious change, 84% of the world fish stock will be in peril in our lifetime. How to fix it? Refine our fishing method to only take what the fish population can tolerate now, so our ocean can be more abundant and healthier in the future. How we are taking action right now? We are making it fast, easy, and affordable for fishers to use data to manage their catch more sustainable, like image recognition software, fish face technology. We're pioneering in Indonesia use artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify fish species and track their number to fisher can avoid catching too many for the wrong kill.
3. Increase clean energy. Targeted energy setting use already degraded land for energy development. Problem: climate change is the single most serious threat facing our planet today. We must reduce carbon emissions to or below levels agreed to in the Paris Climate Agreement to prevent catastrophic harm. And with global energy demand expected to increase 56% over the next couple decades, it will be impossible to meet those emissions targets if we stick primarily with traditional fossil fuels. How to fix it? Shift 85% of the world's energy supply to non-fossil fuel sources and invest in strategies like reforestation that capture carbon dioxide. How we're taking action right now, we're championing regulations that allow former mining lands to be repurposed for solar and wind energy. Tens of thousands of acres of degraded mine sites in Nevada's Great Basin are now available for renewable energy development. By targeting already distributed disturbed land, new turbines and solar panels won't need to destroy more natural habitat.
Okay guys, thanks for this statement. But the main problem of destruction of the earth is garbage, especially plastic garbage as ocean pollution. What's project to handle these problems?
Projects such as the Ocean Climb, in which a vessel is sent out to collect plastic garbage from the marine surface, have received a great deal of media attention. In addition to this by now well-known projects, there are also in such as the Cement project by Australian surfers who are personally invested in cleaning the ocean surface, removing and reusing the large bits of plastic from the ocean will have a great impact on the ocean health. But the challenge of covering microplastic and the plastic that has sunk to the seafloor has yet to be dealt with. Recovery collaborations like those of Barley for the ocean with Adidas, which product and summit of recovery plastic float Sam and H&M, which launched a collection made.
Thank you guys for all argument and statement.